Hello dear creatives, mo kí gbogbo ilé o, Sanunku, Ndewonu. I have some amazing news for you. I'm sure you're wondering what this lady has to say that she's smiling so much, right? You know it has to be good. I mean, really good. Because if I don't give it to you, how are you going to take it? September is already around the corner, and guess what? It's my birth month, yippee! And to celebrate the month of September, I present to you the Sweet September 2,500 Naira bundle offer. Don't mind me, I'm so excited, that's why I'm dancing. In this Sweet September offer, you cannot help but love all the designs you're going to be learning. Before you go all thinking around it, trying to imagine what you're going to learn, check this out. This is design 1, which is what I have on my head right here. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? So beautiful. And of course, design 2 coming right up in the same offer. And let me shock you, this is design 3, a beautiful neck piece to join the combo. Isn't this beautiful? In fact, I have it all cooked up just for you. These 3 designs would normally cost you 10,000 Naira if you were to take them outside this offer. But guess what? You're going to be learning all 3 designs for just 2,500 Naira if you take advantage of this offer from now till 13th of September 2021. It will be my pleasure to have you in class. I do not want you to lose this offer. Now, if you're ready, I'm also ready. All you need to do is send September to that WhatsApp number on your screen right now, and let me give you a September to remember.